Porta drill/electric drill. This is a power drill that get their power from AC wall plug source. The drill is most commonly used to make holes by spinning drill bits into wood, metal, plastic, and other materials. It also used to drive screws or to cut small holes in lumber, or to prepare a site for a nail or screw. Cordless drill. This is a power drill that get their power from DC battery source, and usually contain a rechargeable battery pack that runs the motor. This drill is useful for working in awkward areas or in areas where a power source is hard to find. Hammer drill. This drill has a pounding action that lets you drill into concrete, brick, or tile. The bit rotates and hammers at the same time, allowing you to drill much faster than you could with a regular drill. Twist drill bit. This is a bit used to drill wood and plastics at high speeds or to drill metal at lower speed. Forstner drill bit. This bit is used on wood, and is particularly good for boring any part of a circle. Flat-bladed spade drill bit. This bit is also used in wood. The bit size is measured by the spade's diameter, which ranges from 1/2 to 1.5 inches. Masonry drill bit. This bit, which has a carbide tip, is used in concrete, stone, slate, and ceramic. Chucky. All bits are held in the drill by this, and they can be either keyed or keyless. Circular saw. These saws are designed to cut lumber and boards to size for a project. Jigsaws. These saws have very fine blades, which makes them great tools for doing delicate and intricate work, such as cutting out patterns or irregular shapes from wood or thin, soft metals. They are also one of the best tools for cutting circles. Miter saw. This is a special saw to operate. Carpenter sets the angle from a scale marked off in degrees. The cut is made by pulling downward on the handle. Table saw. This saw is a basic machines used in cabinet making. Carpenters use them to some extent for cutting and fitting moldings and other inside trim work. Belt sander. This sander is used to remove rough areas from large, flat sections of wood, for trimming off excess wood, and for stripping old finishes such as paint and varnish. Random orbital sander. This sander can be used circular and back and forth. This sander combines both types of movement into one sander. Finishing sander. This sander is used when an even, smooth surface is desired, such as needed for painting. These sanders are used to have either orbital circular or oscillating back and forth movement. Bench grinder. This grinder is electrically powered stationary grinding machines. They usually have 2 grinding wheels that are used for grinding, rust removal, and metal buffing. Jointer woodworking machine. This woodworking machine used to produce a flat surface along a board length, and are commonly used to dress the edges and ends of boards. They may also be used for planing a face, cutting a rabbet, bevel, chamber, or taper. Biscuit joiner. This is a woodworking tool used to join 2 pieces of wood together. This is a portable tool for cutting slots in the edges of lumber for wood plate. Trim carpenters use this tool to assemble casing lumber and joining shelves and facings of cabinets built on site. Saw guard. Protects the person using the saw from injury, and also protects the saw from damage. Trim router. His machine cuts a curved or decorative finish around the edge of a piece of lumber. Sanding disc. This is a round disc, flat piece that removes surface defects, rust, paint, and corrosion, making your projects look as good as new. Wood lathe. This is a machine for shaping wood or metal by means of a rotating drive that turns the piece being worked on against a cutting blade. Featherboard. This is a device that holds material tighter to the fence and acts like an extra hand. Drill press. This is a drill press, also known as a pedestal drill, pillar drill, or bench drill. Is a fixed style of drill that may be mounted on a stand or bolted to the floor or workbench. Portable models with a magnetic base grip the steel workpiece is a drill. Cast iron. The material formed when molten iron is poured into molds. Drum sander. This is a drum sander, proves invaluable for working with white panels or figured wood. Chuck. This is the mechanism on a drill that holds the bit. Belt sander and disc sander. Used for trimming accurately to align. Used for marking out or making a material flat. Guards and dust extraction should be used. pp. Bandsaw. One continuous band of flexible steel available in different sizes used for cutting wood or metal into non-linear shapes. Heckner saw/scroll saw. Used to cut intricate curves. Different blades available for a variety of materials and tasks. Material must be held down securely. pp. Disc sander. A power sander with a 12th sanding disc for sanding wood or metal. Inverted router table. A stationary power tool with a shaped cutter blade for forming the edge on wood boards. Thickness planer. A stationary tool used to make the faces of a board flat and parallel. Wood is fed between the roller/knife and the table. Trigger lock. A small lever, switch, or part that you push or pull to activate a locking catch or spring. Activation. This device causes the power tool to stay in the operating mode even when your finger is not on it. Do not use this with hand power tools. Vertical/horizontal belt sander. This stationary sander is used to smooth the edges of various types of wood. It is mounted on a stand or workbench. It is powered by AC voltage, wall plug. Reciprocating saw. Multi-purpose saw. Scaffold.